Hey y'all, today I'm going to review this Bella blender. What I like about it so far is that it's really nice and compact, and I love this line that they've done. It's their slim line, and the color is what I really was drawn to initially. Didn't really know anything about the company, but so far I've got their coffee maker, the blender, an air fryer, and their toaster, and I love that they all match in this really pretty kind of taupey ecru color. So I need to get more protein in my diet, so I've been doing smoothies. So I'm gonna make up a little smoothie real quick and show y'all how it works. I've already got some milk and some ice. Do 1 scoop of that. A banana that if I don't use it today, it's gonna turn into mush. And like I said, so far I'm loving all the products that this company has put out. I've said some of this in my other reviews that I also like it that all the products come with this QR scan code, and that will take you right to their website so that you can register the products, because they all do come with a limited warranty. So if you get this, I encourage you to do that. I haven't had to use customer service yet, but I've heard good things about them. So here we go. I like it that it actually has different settings. There is one for smoothie, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the smoothie. And you can do this on high or low. The other settings, they do have an icy drink setting, chop, blend, stir, milkshake, puree, ice crush, whisk, pulse, and then grind or smoothie. So that was it, super easy to use. I've been trying to do these smoothies like daily, and I am using ice that's already kind of crushed from my refrigerator. So I haven't done it with like big cubes of ice yet, but it seems to really work for the smaller crushed ice and just blend it into a nice ice cold smoothie. So hope this helps.